Hey, what's up guys, it's Jinan. So for the past month I've been using these Sony WH1000XM4. That's a long name, so I'll just go with Mark 4. So yeah, I've been using it for everything I do for about a month now, and here's what I think about it. First of all, the build quality and the design are nice. The moving parts of the ear cups are also nice. The non-removable ear pads and the headrest feel the way it should. And the sound quality and the noise cancellation are easily the best part of this headphone. I don't know how to describe the sound, so I'll just say it does what it should, but they do distort a lot at high volume. And by the way, I just keep it on the bass boost. And the noise cancellation, it's exactly like how they showed in the AirPods Pro commercial. Feels like you're in a different world sometimes. Okay, so you know that you can sort of mask the background noise by turning up the volume? But what about when you're listening to podcasts? So I was just taking out the trash the other day and I had my headphones on, and when my hands were free, I took it off and I was like, whoa, this is great. It effortlessly just cancels the humming wind noise. Also, I noticed that it completely cancels the creaking noise of these wooden stairs. And the same goes for the clacking noise of the keyboard. Basically, it's better than I expected. If you open up the Sony app, you'll find a lot of nice features, but I just find a few of them to be convenient. So there's a wear detection feature which lets you to pause music when you take it off, and it lets you to save battery by turning off the headphone when you don't use it for a certain amount of time. And the sensor for that is on the left ear cup. There's a speak to chat feature which lets you to pause the music when you start talking, and it turns off the noise cancellation and turns on the ambient sound for 15 or 30 seconds. So if the music is playing right now, it will take a second to detect that I'm talking and it will do those things. I'm not sure if I'll actually use it because it's not that fast, but another similar feature to that is also there, where you just have to put your palm on the right ear cup and it lowers the music way down and it turns off the noise cancellation and turns on the ambient sound. And that's fast. And as soon as you take off your palm of the ear cup, everything just goes back to normal. And that's the only touch control that works all the time. So the right ear cup is only where you get the touchpad, and you get controls like double tap to pause, swipe up and down for volume, and back and forth for forward and backward. These controls don't always work, and I don't find the swiping gestures for volume to be convenient because you just have to pronounce it all the way across to make it work. And if you do it fast enough, it just doesn't work. The same control works with the Pixel Buds because the surface area is just small and you don't have to pronounce it like that. And you can do it fast. On the left ear cup, you'll see an NFC logo, and you can use it to pair to a new device that supports NFC, and that's a lot faster. You can do it in the old-fashioned way by holding the power button for a while, but it takes a while, and the NFC is just really fast and it works all the time. On the same ear cup, you'll see a custom button, and you can use it to trigger your voice assistant, or you can use it to control the ambient sound and noise cancellation stuff. There's also an audio jack, and it comes with the cables, so you can still use wired audio if you don't want to deal with the latency. And that's helpful for me because I use it when I'm editing videos. Also, it has multiple device support, so you can connect to two different devices at the same time. So if I'm listening to something on my laptop and I pause it to go back to my phone, it seamlessly transitions the audio and it works really well. Overall, I don't have much to complain about because they just get so many things right, and I just like the lightweight, understated design, the build quality, the sound quality, ambient sound, noise cancellation, and some of those convenient features. By the way, I just want to mention some of the connectivity issues with the Pixel Buds. Like, it just disconnects all the time on its own, and it will just lose the audio sync with the video, and you have to pause and resume it a couple times to fix it. And if that doesn't work, you have to disconnect and connect it manually a couple times to fix it. And that's really annoying, but I haven't seen any of that with the Mark IV. So yeah, that's great. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.